Hello everyone, this is Jack. We will introduce our new product line while we export to Middle East. This is magnetic clutch payoff. This is tension control machine. This is preheater. This is a powder machine. This is a straightening machine. This is a main machine, and this is a 35 injection. This is 70 extruder machine. This is a active water tank. This is a control boxes. This is preheater. This is a printing, and before printing we have our outside diameter testing machine. This is a fixed water tank. This is accumulate. This is capacitant. Did you saw that? It's like the car. We have a different kind of speed to suitable for different kind of size of a wire and cable manufacturer. This is special. We design for our clients. As we see, this is Caterpillar, 500 kgs, and this is meter count. This is spark test. This is the teacup. This is whole lines. This is 650 bunching machine. This is 98 payoff bobbin size use. And here is a cooling machine.